Hi there. Are you considering homeschooling but feeling a little overwhelmed and really don't have a clue where to start? You are not alone and you are not behind. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the very first steps of how you begin homeschooling so that you can move forward with confidence instead of fear. I'm Maggie with Homeschool with Maggie O, and I homeschooled our two boys for 20 years from the beginning all the way through to graduation. And boy, do I remember those first few days and weeks of homeschooling, the questions, the self-doubt that came with it. Am I doing enough? Can I even do this? So if you're just beginning your journey of homeschooling, let me take these steps with you, the early steps, so that you can understand what really is important, what you really do need to be focusing on, and these things that don't matter at this point in time. It may surprise you that the first step actually has nothing to do with curriculum and schedules. It in fact has to do with understanding your why. Why do you want to homeschool? That is step one. Every homeschool family has their own why as to why they want to homeschool. Maybe you have a child that is struggling. Maybe you just want more family time. Perhaps you're wanting to control the learning environment in which your children learn. Maybe you have athletes at home that are on traveling teams. Homeschooling provides a lot of flexibility for these type families. Or maybe you just truly have that tug at your heart telling you that you need to be homeschooling your children. That reason, your why, will be what carries you on your hard days. And there will be days that you're going to be questioning what you're even doing. And your why is your anchor. It is what helps you get through those days and keeps you moving forward. Step two is understanding what your state requires for homeschooling families. And this may seem scary at first, but I promise you it's really not. In most places, homeschooling is a lot more simple and flexible than people seem to expect or realize. And at this point, you're just gathering the information to understand what your state does require for homeschooling families, nothing more. Step three is all about curriculum. And honestly, this is where a lot of new homeschooling families get kind of stuck because they feel like they need to have all of the perfect curriculum before they even get started. But here's the truth. After 20 years of homeschooling, there is no perfect curriculum. The best curriculum is the one that is meant for your child, that addresses your children's learning style and fits your home life, your routines, the season of life that you're in when you're homeschooling. And you will find that you adjust this as your journey continues. Step four, keep it small and simple. A lot of homeschool families are surprised to learn that they don't have to recreate school in their home environment. In the beginning, focus on the basics, reading, writing, math, and making that connection with your children. You don't need a big fancy classroom to get this done. You don't need to have all the subjects. And you don't have to have it all figured out right at the beginning. That's completely normal that you won't, so don't put that expectation on yourself. Step five is give yourself time and grace. Homeschooling is a rhythm that you grow into. It's not something that you master overnight. It's a process. It's a journey. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Your first year especially is going to be a big growth year and a learning curve for you and the children. You're going to adjust, you're going to adapt, and your confidence will grow with time. So I really want to encourage you at this point, because if you are feeling that nudge in your heart to homeschool, that's awesome. Do it. Just get started. You don't have to have all the answers figured out today, here, and now. Again, you're going to be on a journey, and it's a wonderful experience with your children. So allow yourself some grace and expect that you are going to make adjustments and you're going to adapt, and this will be a growth process. If this video has helped make you feel a little bit more confident and at ease, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I work with parents in providing guidance, strategies, specific tips, and all things homeschooling for families just like yours that are coming into it new. And some that have been in it maybe for a year and just need some extra guidance. You're going to find help in that area as well. And I do have families that have been homeschooling for some time. So please subscribe and continue to follow Homeschool with Maggie O.